Isn't that nice?
Yes, but don't you ever in your life talk to me in my whole life. Once you starting paying a bills, you pal. So get Joe stanking cremate out my face or I'll knock you out this doggone window. Do you hear me? I can hear you raise your voice at me because I just got out of jail for 30 minutes ago. I tear your monk butts up like in rotisserie chicken and stuff you in the oven. You lost your river prisoners when you raise your voice at me. And y'all smoking cigarettes and y'all doing drugs. Y'all know better. I'm not playing with you. Frank Mobstered. You guys are heathens. Get out.
Man, I can't believe Dishwasher trying to yell at us.
Me either.
I don't care nothing but grandmother, grandfather.
You have a fucking clue who you're fucking with? You're all fucking dead! Fuck all of you! You hit him, you idiot! Fuck you!